Did you know that most millionaires don't drive brand new cars? And many of them prefer using their phones for 5 years before upgrading. A family of four saving over $20,000 in a year, not by earning more but by spending smarter. Sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Frugal living isn't about pinching pennies or living a life of deprivation. It's about making intentional, smart financial decisions that align with your goals. These are 10 powerful yet lesser-known habits of frugal people that can revolutionize your financial life. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to build wealth while avoiding the traps that keep most people broke. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's uncover the frugal habits together. Number 1. Use wait time to save money. Have you ever bought something on impulse only to regret it later? Frugal people avoid this trap by practicing the 24-hour rule for purchases under $100 or the 30-day rule for bigger expenses. This simple habit prevents emotional spending. For example, Michelle wanted to buy a $400 gadget she saw online. Instead of purchasing it immediately, she added it to her wish list and waited 30 days. By the end of the month, she realized she didn't actually need it. That one decision saved her $400, which she later invested. Most people's biggest mistake is shopping to cure boredom or stress. Apply the wait time rule to all non-essential purchases. Ask yourself, will this make my life better in 6 months? If the answer is no, skip it. Number 2. Master reverse budgeting. Traditional budgeting can feel restrictive, but frugal people flip the script. They pay themselves first, saving and investing a fixed percentage, then live on the remainder. This is called reverse budgeting. Many people save what's left after spending, which is often nothing. This approach keeps them trapped in a cycle of financial insecurity. Consider Jack, who earns $4,000 a month. Instead of spending first and saving what's left, he automatically invests 20%, $800, into index funds and sets aside $200 for an emergency fund. By living on the remaining $3,000, he prioritizes his future over fleeting pleasures. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Automate it. Number 3. Prioritize quality over quantity. Frugal living is not about cheapness, it's about intentionality. People make the mistake of chasing quantity, buying more clothes during sales or owning multiple gadgets they barely use, mistaking accumulation for satisfaction. This mindset leads to cluttered homes, maxed out credit cards, and a constant feeling of not enough. For instance, instead of buying 5 pairs of cheap shoes that wear out in a year, invest in one durable pair that lasts for years. In The Millionaire Next Door, authors Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko reveal that wealthy individuals focus on buying things that offer long-term value, whether it's an investment in education, reliable tools, or healthy food. Meanwhile, many fall prey to flashy marketing or the fear of missing out, FOMO, which drains their bank accounts and erodes their peace of mind. Audit your spending, shift your focus to essentials that enrich your life, and embrace the philosophy of less but better. Number 4. Optimize utility usage. Negligence drains your wallet and reinforces the cycle of financial inefficiency. Optimizing utility usage is one of the easiest ways to cut costs without sacrificing quality of life. Yet many people make the mistake of ignoring this habit. For instance, leaving lights on in unoccupied rooms or running air conditioning at full blast when a fan would suffice may seem trivial, but it leads to inflated utility bills month after month. If you can't respect the resources you pay for, you're effectively throwing away money that could be invested for a brighter future. The solution is simple yet powerful. Adopt conscious habits to optimize utility usage. Use energy-efficient appliances. Unplug devices when not in use. A family in New York reduced their electricity bill by 30% just by switching to LED bulbs and setting timers for outdoor lights. Don't let carelessness rob you of your financial potential. Master your utilities, master your money. Number 5. Look for discounts and deals. Frugal people don't see discounts and deals as mere opportunities to save. They see them as tools to stretch their money and achieve financial freedom faster. Many people make the mistake of either ignoring deals altogether or falling into the trap of buying unnecessary things just because they're on sale. Consider how frugal millionaires shop for essentials. They leverage cashback apps, compare prices online, and time their purchases during sales seasons to maximize value. Use tools like price trackers or coupon apps to buy smartly and allocate the savings toward investments or debt reduction. Don't waste money on thoughtless spending. Use discounts and deals to accelerate your path to wealth. Number 6. Cook at home. Falling into the trap of dining out regularly, justifying it with convenience or the allure of treating yourself. This mindset is a costly mistake. Think about it. Spending $20 on takeout a few times a week may not seem like much, but it adds up to thousands of dollars annually, money that could have been invested. Beyond finances, frequent dining out also takes a toll on your health, leading to medical expenses down the road. The result? A vicious cycle of overspending, health issues, and regret over lost opportunities to grow your wealth. The solution is as simple as it is effective. Prioritize home-cooked meals. Not only are they significantly cheaper, but they also give you control over ingredients, making them healthier and more personalized. Start small by replacing just 2 restaurant meals a week with home-cooked ones and reinvest the savings. Number 7. Leverage loyalty programs and rewards. Frugal people maximize every dollar spent by using loyalty programs, cashback apps, and credit card rewards. They don't leave free money on the table. One of my friends earned $500 in cashback last year by strategically using her rewards credit card for everyday purchases. She used that money to cover holiday gifts, keeping her budget intact. Ignoring rewards programs is like rejecting a pay raise. Many people don't take the time to understand these benefits. Explore your credit card's reward features. Ask for loyalty card for future benefits. Number 8. Have a secondhand first mentality. Frugal people often buy used items, from furniture to cars, to save money. They know how to spot quality in secondhand markets, falling into the trap of associating secondhand items with inferiority, believing that only brand new things signify success. This mindset pushes people back from their financial situation. Wealthy individuals often opt for high-quality used goods, knowing they provide the same utility at a fraction of the cost. Think about the money wasted on impulse buys like a brand new designer bag or the latest furniture, which depreciate in value the moment you buy them. Before buying anything new, explore secondhand options and ask, can I get the same value for less? Adopting this mentality isn't just about spending less. It's about rejecting consumerism's trap and living smarter. Number 9. Invest in experiences, not things. Frugal living people understand a profound truth. The happiness gained from experiences far outweighs the fleeting joy of material possessions. Yet, many make the mistake of chasing status through things, buying the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, or luxury cars they can barely afford. As James Wallman points out in Stuffication, the things you own end up owning you. The constant pursuit of material possessions not only drains your finances but also clutters your life, leaving you with debt and regret. Break this cycle. Shift your focus to experiences that offer long-term value. For instance, instead of spending $1,000 on the latest smartphone, use that money to take a course that upgrades your career or fund a family road trip. Experiences improve happiness because they create stories, strengthen relationships, and foster personal growth. Number 10. Focus on value, not cost. Frugal people don't just look for the cheapest option, they look for the best value. This means considering quality, longevity, and utility. For instance, Emma spent $150 on high-quality shoes that lasted 5 years instead of $30 on shoes that wore out every 6 months. Over time, she saved money and avoided discomfort, falling for the trap of buying cheap but end up spending more on replacements. Think long-term. Invest in items that offer the best return on your money and provide lasting satisfaction. Frugal living isn't about sacrifice, it's about strategy. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with someone who could use a little frugal inspiration. Which habit resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next more inspirational content that empowers you to live smarter and build wealth. Thank you.